Welcome to KE class. This is Hetty, and today I would like to introduce our electronics packaging made from the molded pulp process. But first, before that, I would like to emphasize our biggest advantage of our molded pulp packaging. You see from the board that this is a small test we did before for biodegradability. You see from the board, after some time, the roots of the plant just come out of the bottom of the tray. And then after some time, the bottom of the whole tray just disappear. So from the test, you see this is a perfect replacement of the plastic products. Okay, now let's come back to our topic today. You see on the desk, here are some examples of our electronics packaging. There are different types. This is the first type made from the recycled paper. See, similar to those egg cartons. It is with the turned down lip, so it is very strong to hold very heavy products. And this is made from the paper pulp with the 4 folding flaps, so it can fit the box very well. And this one, black insert, also with the 4 folding flaps, to fit the box perfectly. And this is the full set of the electronic products. See, this is the main part, the battery, adapter, the cable, and the controller, into just a full box, a full set. And this is a hinge box for the cable, see? So this is a hinge one, and you can use a hole or cable to connect this. And then the shape, the bottom, the shape, just follow the product. Also, this is a hinged box made from the sugarcane bagasse. So you can put whatever you want into this box. And then you may use a sleeve to go around to fix this. And the last one, it is for a full set of electronic router. See, the main parts, and also with all other accessories into the full sets. And then the cover. So the full set fits perfectly. And then you can also use a sleeve to go around to fix this, and then put into another shipping box maybe. Also, you see, you can have this kind of embossing or debossing. So you see, we can do a lot. We can just customize as per your requirements. So if you have a packaging to develop, just come to us. This is Hetty, and today as topic is over, but next time we would like to show you some packaging for bottles. So see you next time. Bye bye.